Today we arrived at Osumi Teanery to learn how to brew green tea using a Kyusu. After being greeted, the workshop began. A Kyusu is a traditional Japanese teapot, and the one we are using is made for fukamushi-cha. Our instructor adds 4 grams of tea to the Kyusu. A fine mesh screen holds the leaves in. Boiling water is added to a Yuzamashi. A small amount is added to the Kyusu, which is closed to allow the leaves to steam. Water is then added to the cups. The correct temperature has now been reached. Water can now be added to the Kyusu. Gently swirl the Kyusu so the leaves open evenly. After 7 to 10 times, check the color of your tea. The instructor said the color was a little light and gave a few more swirls. In order to get each cup evenly poured, pour from the right to the left and back to the right. Make sure to get every last drop. And now we drink. The tea was delicious. Our instructor was there to guide us along. It was hard to guess how much 4 grams was. Pouring hot water between different vessels cools down the water quickly. From the Yuzamashi to the cups to the Kyusu, the temperature is around 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. Adding water from the cups to the Kyusu gives you the perfect amount of water for your tea. This process felt very zen-like.
で、少しお湯を水色を見ます。はい。まだ薄いので、もう
Our brew was a little light, so we did more swirls.
はい、ゆっくりですね。はい。お湯を注ぎます。
The Fukamushi cha was a deep, dark green.
はい。で、最後の1滴まで。はい。蓋を開けて、次の2煎目に注ぎます。
Give the Kyusu a little smack if you plan on rebrewing.
はい。で、
Keep the lid ajar so that the leaves don't cook themselves.